As we enter these troubling times that we are now with COVID-19 and all the uncertainty that we're dealing with, I think one of the important things that we have to realize, this is a tough time for everybody. This is a time that we as communities have to come together. Unfortunately, we've seen some of the horrors of death that have happened, and unfortunately, many to come. But we also have to look and have some hope. We also have to look at the lives that the amazing nurses and doctors and EMTs and paramedics, the lives they have saved, countless numbers of lives that have been saved, much more than unfortunately who have passed. We have to mourn the people who have died, but we also have to celebrate the people who have survived because of the great work people are doing. We need to come together as individuals. We need to come together as a community, now more than ever. There are heartwarming stories across the country of how people are helping each other out. Stay at home, but be connected. Look at ways to volunteer, whether it's dropping food off at a food pantry, whether it's donating some money to your favorite charities, to helping some people who are out of work. Go in that extra mile. Dr. Fauci had made a comment when he said, the virus is determining the timeline, but we, as a community, are going to determine how long that timeline is and how we respond to that timeline and how we recover. It's important as a community that we realize our collective efforts to be together in the future mean perhaps being home for a while alone. The light at the end of the tunnel will be hopefully this summer when we're all going to be able to sit back and pray for those we lost, celebrate for those who were saved, and prepare for the future. I think it's important that we need to remember that we are more capable together, we're safer together, and our collective efforts mean that we'll physically together be able to be together soon. I want to thank you all for all the work you've done. I want to thank everybody for staying at home, because this is truly a moment in the whole community that we're going to come together, that we're going to see true leaders rise. We're going to see true leaders who are transparent, open with their communication. We're going to see every leader in public, in the private sector, in the business, in the nonprofit, and probably most important, we're going to see the individual leaders in all of the community that come together. They're going to help save lives. We're all in this together. I have great hope. The power of hope that you and we can share is what's going to get us all through this. Thank you.